Hello, learning, leadership, and training consultants. Are you looking for ways to extend the impact of your training programs? Look no further. Let me introduce you to Cloverleaf, a revolutionary platform designed to maximize your training's reach and effectiveness. We all know that traditional training sessions are powerful, but they often end once the session is over. With Cloverleaf, you can ensure continuous learning and development is happening long after a workshop or a training module. Cloverleaf's automated coaching seamlessly integrates into your trainees' daily work lives with no extra content creation on your part. This provides them with personalized insights and actionable tips exactly when they need them. It also helps them to represent some of the learning you've presented in some of your training. Imagine your trainees receiving bite-sized, context-specific coaching that reinforces what they've learned, that reminds them of their own strengths, and touches back to some of the things that maybe you've discussed. This ensures that knowledge isn't just gained, it's applied, leading to real behavior change and improved performance. What really sets Cloverleaf apart is its ability to scale personalized coaching. No more one size fits all, no more general articles that you send to trainees. Each individual gets tailored coaching based on their unique needs, their goals, and their role within the organization. This not only enhances their learning experience, but it also proves the value of your training with measurable results. If you're ready to take your programs to the next level, visit cloverleaf.me to discover how automated coaching can absolutely transform and revolutionize your training and development programs and their impact. Empower your trainees and your clients to achieve more and watch as your programs deliver lasting change. Maximize learning impact and head over to cloverleaf.me to find out more. Your trainees will thank you for it.